Dylan Housh. This is Kermit the Awebo bird. Well, I just need to talk to you. Are you feeling? Are you good? Are you feeling okay? Mm, that's good. That's good. Uh, well, I was saying, Siri, like, yeah, I know, I know that just just got furious. Um, yeah, it's got furious. Uh, Okay, but I know. So yeah, s- but Axel's just fine now. But 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 you still will you still be Axel's friend? Hmm, okay. Well well but I don't have yeah but I know what you're doing. Yeah, it seems that there's like not enough space for that. Yeah, but uh, anyways, I just have nothing to say to you. Oh, okay. I'm gonna go now. So that means have a great day.